welcome to Silver Lake and welcome to the second part of double deep frames. In the first part we talked about some of the benefits of using double deep frames inside of the regular Langstroth hive, and you can check out part number 1 of the double deep frames. In this video I'm going to show you how I put the wires for the frames and put the wax foundation. Use a triple V system for the wires, and because it's a long frame, it's going to work a lot better than having instead of horizontal. So the first thing to do is to make holes on top bar and on the bottom. Have 6 holes, and we're going to put the wire through it. Okay guys, we're done with wiring. So we have triple V system, as you can see, and I put the 2 small nails on the side, and we're gonna use these nails to use the 12 volt to heat these wires and embed wax foundation into these wires. So the next thing I do is to make beeswax foundation. I have a foundation press. It's a silicone press, and you can, it's water cooled, or also you can, I experimented a little bit and I use this Coleman air mattress pump. You can either do 12 volt or 120. And this is when the air or water comes in, and then it cools this element, and then with this it goes down and cools the bottom. And you put the wax here and then press, and it should come out the foundation for my frames. This is the pot that I use to heat up my wax. It's from my own beehives, and I know what's inside. There's no paraffin or some kind of chemicals that I put in my beehives, so I want to go all natural. This is just a mold release for the wax. It's like 1 teaspoon of dish soap and a teaspoon of honey and water. So the temperature should be around 165, 170. And we have a beautiful sheet of our own wax that we're gonna use. So I made a jig to have like 1.5 sheets. It fits into this double deep frame. And then I used 12-volt battery to embed the wire into the sheets. Okay guys, I have the finished frame. Wires are embedded and bees will fill this up, no problem. These little gaps. I'm also experimenting with half sheet plastic with a starter strip of wax and double sheet of plastic. So there are grooves in the bottom and on the top too. And on the sides I put staples on the sides to hold the plastic. So I'm gonna see how that's gonna work too. But most of the time I'm going to use natural wax and maybe starter strips between these. Okay guys, that should be all. Thank you all for watching and see you next time. Happy beekeeping.